They thought about reaching out because the opening card itself is the Page of Wands and the Strength. They have thought about it more than once, but there's something stopping them from actually doing it. And it isn't simply just the pride over here, Leo energy. What I'm seeing is a fear that the moment they finally open that door, you may not even respond the way they are hoping, actually. Okay, so these two cards. And there's something even more interesting that I see. They may already be trying to figure out whether you are still emotionally available to them without actually asking you. Knight of Wands here. I feel this person has noticed a change in your energy, like a proper change in your energy, wherein this connection feels like two people who still have something unfinished between them, but neither wants to be the first one to become completely vulnerable, even though they are so feeling so lonely and left out right now. There may have been distance, silence, or a situation where communication suddenly became very complicated here. Okay, but you know the recent everything changed because they realized that your silence doesn't mean you are waiting for them anymore. They may have expected you to eventually reach out, check in, or give them some indication that you were still there waiting for them, and instead your energy feels much quieter, and this has put them in a deep thinking at night, especially at night. You are not chasing, you are not explaining yourself either. You're not giving them the same emotional access they once had. And if you may ask me, interestingly, that is what has brought their attention back towards you. King of Cups. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces energy, Leo energy very strong, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius also very strong. The contradiction is that they can look completely unbothered from the outside while internally questioning whether they have actually lost their place in your life. Nine of Wands and the Judgment. And they really don't know what's happening behind the scenes. So, what they are thinking when they are alone with this, if you may, if I see that, they actually are having mental conversations in their mind. They think about what they would say if they contacted you, like for a second chance. You may even ignore it, them. They are imagining some casual conversation, uh, but then they stop. They do stop because I feel that underneath that casual approach is a much bigger question. What if you don't reply? Nine of Wands. What if you don't want them anymore? They're asking themselves. They are rehearsing, but they're also asking. That feels like this, this thought they struggle with the most right now, because Nine of Wands tells me that they are fearing that you may push them away, and you may be emotionally attached or possibly involved with someone else as well. And there's one unexpected detail also here that I see. They may be checking for signs for your emotional availability, but they are still juggling. Without directly communicating with you, they are looking forward for signs. And that could be through social media, through mutual connection, through old conversations, memories, or simply noticing whether your energy seems different, or is it just the same. They are emotionally torn right now. They want information without having to risk rejection. Now it's up to you. And this is where the energy gets very interesting, because they have this fear that you'll walk away, you will block them, you will not respond. Now this also changes, this also changes something here, because the reason they are hesitating may not actually be because they don't know what they feel. Okay, they don't know, it's not like that. It may be because they know exactly what they feel, but they don't know what their response will be, because this person definitely knows. Four of Cups, will you be interested, will you not be interested? Knight of Cups, if they reach out now, is it too late? Knight of Pentacles, they want to give this commitment, but there is a fear For few, I see you may have more than one option. There is a fear here that walking back into your life and discovering that the door they assumed would always be open has quietly closed. You may be with someone else, or even if not with someone else, you may not be open for them. And that creates a strange emotional push and pull over here. Page of Cups. They are literally juggling this time, guys. They are juggling. Part of them wants to break the silence, and there is no doubt about it. Another part says, don't do it unless you know they still care. So that juggle is there, that juggle. The Two of Pentacles juggle is there, the Three of Cups, and the Wheel. And I feel this is connected to regret. This is definitely connected to regret. Okay, they may be looking back at something they said, something they failed to do, or the way they handled the separation. Okay, the way they handled the separation. Now they are crying. Five of Swords, they are crying, and nobody is able to see that. No, they are not letting anybody know about that. They know that simply appearing again may not erase what really happened between you and them. They may actually have to explain themselves. And that is uncomfortable for them right now, if you ask. Okay, that is becoming very uncomfortable for them. And if this is describing your situation, comment I choose clarity below and hype this particular reading to welcome this, apology energy and this realization energy in your life from your person, and like this particular video to connect with my energies going forward. I want to know how many of you are experiencing this kind of silent tension. Also, 80% of my viewers are non-subscribers, and I'm quite shocked. So subscribe to my channel. Now, what are they hiding emotionally? Okay, because this person definitely is hiding. Okay, there's vulnerability and hesitation underneath is what I see. They may not want to know how much your reaction matters to them. They could act confident if they contacted you, but internally they may be preparing themselves for several possibilities, is what I see. They are healing, but they are getting frustrated. They are rehearsing, but they want to break this no contact also. The warmth, the anger, the indifference, or no response at all. And that last possibility feels particularly very triggering right now, if you may ask. Very triggering, because there is something about the idea of you moving forward that makes this person realize they cannot keep assuming you'll be available whenever they decide they are ready. Now, this is also where jealousy can appear, because like I said, that this person also fears that you may be with someone. So not necessarily because they know you are with someone else, but because they do know. Even a slight comment on your post or something, if they have seen on Facebook, Insta, wherever, that has created jealousy in a social media or something. The uncertainty certainty itself is very uncomfortable for this person right now, is what I see. They may wonder, who else has your attention now, who makes you smile, whether someone else is giving you the consistency they fail to give you. Because I do see that this person definitely is jealous. Knight of Pentacles, Knight of Cups, and ironically, your emotional withdrawal may be making their feelings harder for them to ignore. Okay, but your energy has changed too. Okay, your energy has changed too. You are tired of trying to decode silence, and you're beginning to understand that wanting someone and waiting indefinitely for someone are two completely different things. The Hierophant, Taurian energy. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn is also very strongly seen. But I do see that Ace of Swords, for few of you, you may even receive a message in next 24 hours. And I think they can feel that difference also. You may still have feelings for this person, but you are becoming less willing to abandon your own peace now to keep the connection alive. I don't see that. You're transforming now. You're working on yourself. You're transforming. You're healing. You're no more in this hanging position in the middle, not knowing what is going to happen. That shift matters because the strongest possibility I'm seeing next is an attempt to reopen communication, but cautiously. It may begin indirectly or directly as well for few of you. A small message, a reaction, maybe a call, direct call also can come, a casual question, something that gives them an excuse to test the atmosphere before becoming emotionally honest here. And I would not treat that as a guarantee over here, but the energy does suggest movement becomes more possible when they feel there is some emotional safety between you. So they are looking for a sign right now. They are looking for a sign whether you will take them back in a relationship or not. Okay, Six of Wands, should they approach or not? And if communication does happen, the bigger conversation may not be about what happened. Okay, I don't see that. It may be about whether there is still a place for them in your future or not, whether you are looking for something like stable or something, and if you are willing to take this person in or not. And that is the deeper issue right now, I feel. So let's come back to the two things I told you at the beginning. First, why are they hesitating? Okay, because their biggest fear is not necessarily rejection itself, it is discovering that you have emotionally outgrown the version of the relationship they once had access to. We have the star Aquarius energy. You have healed. You have literally healed. You have done that magic work on yourself. And this person is still trying to figure out whether you are available or not. And trust me, what they did to you, they have to face the karma. And I see that strongly present in the energy. They may be looking for signs before taking a real emotional risk as well, because Justice, Libra energy has also appeared. The message here is not to force the conversation. Let their actions reveal whether their intentions have actually changed or not, because I see that this person now can't wait to reach out. Cancer energy. And if this reading resonated with you guys, you can like and subscribe so you don't miss the next reading. But the strongest message I am leaving you with is this: they may they may be afraid to knock on the door because they are no longer sure you'll open it or not. Okay, and that uncertainty is exactly what is making them think twice about staying silent right now. And by the way, guys, now I want to know honestly if this person reached out to you or not in next 24 to 48 hours. And would you want a real conversation, or would you need them to prove their intentions first? In the comment section, do let me know what are your thoughts and what you are going through, because next day's reading I will pick up from that. And by the way, guys, I've started posting two readings, one at 9 a.m. IST and 6 p.m. IST every day, so that you get to know the morning energies of your person, current thoughts and feelings in the morning, and in the evening, both the times, because we all know energies are different all the time. You know, maybe your person will get up in the morning, they'll think about you, but in a different way. In the evening, they'll think about you, but in a different way. So the morning and evening energies, on your request, it's gonna be there. So support my channel by subscribing, which I see 80% are non-subscribers over here. That is quite a shocking number. So subscribe to my channel, like and share this particular, like and comment on this particular video. Also, if you are looking for short form content on Instagram, you can follow me there as well. So thank you so much for being there. I'm gonna see you in the next video. Bye.